Ni hao everyone from Candice and the cat that insists on being in the screen. I'm a relatively new student on Domino. I'm learning the Chinese in 9 weeks, and I have to say thank you so much, Felix. You are honestly a gem. You make it feel so easy and so intuitive learning a language. You've broken it down to its complete basics, and you're not talking down to people in the way that you involve everyone with what you do. You are such a brilliant teacher, and honest to goodness, I feel like I've made much more progress learning Chinese in the space of 2 days with you than weeks of learning it on language apps and still missing the mark and still not understanding the writing system. You have made it exceptional, and I'm definitely a student for life. I see that you've got Swedish there as well. That's next. Thank you so much. And to anyone wanting to learn, trying to find somehow to learn which app to choose, forget about that. Just get Felix. Cheers.